Hello, Fashion Fam. I'm your host and, of course, Prince of Sass, Renal, and Swagatam to yet another episode of Liva Mistiva 2024. In case you missed the memo, screen resolution or volume, dono high kar do, because this episode is going to be crazy. क्योंकि आज का एपिसोड इज लोडेड विद पार्टिसिपेंट्स के होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स। इन एडिशन टू दैट, टॉप 24 प्रोफाइल्स होंगे रिवील और हम जानेंगे फैशन डिजाइनर्स को कैसा हो रहा है फील। सो सिट बैक, ईज इन एंड वॉच इट अनफोल्ड। Now is the moment जहां हमारे एडिटर को मौका मिलेगा to justify his salary by cutting a promo so slick कि बटर को भी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाए। ओवरसेल किया है, but little bit make me proud and all, huh? Coming up are the profiles of 24 ladies from our three categories: fashion designer, content creator, and beauty queens. These ladies have outlived an entire nation of cutthroat competition and are now standing at the cusp of realizing their dreams. Go watch.
Gold chain hanging from my chest. Rockin' bell bottles, baby boy, I'm the best. Platform shoes got me feeling top deck. On the yacht, I'm a hot girl, show me some respect. Yeah, I'm a dawn and they know it. I'm giving you a shot, show up, don't blow it. If I'm in my zone, don't stop me flowing. No, I don't work this hard for nothing. First I did it for me, now they keep it 100. I do it to look clean, I do it for the love, and I do it all to show the homies we can have what we wanted. And now I'm chilling in the mansion with a glass of champagne. Not the cheap stuff, but I cannot drop names.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even when I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no, don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive. It will be a waste, cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free. You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me.
Oh my God, such cuties! I'm mind blown. देख के मुझे ये butterflies हो रहा है. I don't know what these girls must be feeling. Now, for the final assessment, these ladies are heading straight into the fitting section, where the supermodels will try on these outfits that they made, so fluid with the Liva fabric. मुझे क्वीन की कंगना रनौत की याद आ रही है, क्योंकि मेरा लाइफ इतना खराब हो गया है, because nobody is making me a supermodel. Are you listening? Because make me then. Make me.
I look like a bag of money I'm on. They wanna know what I'm on. Got it. Diamonds dancing on my neck. That is the vibe I'm on. Drip. Way too lit. Who gon' check? You can tell me none. Boss mode in effect. And my money long. If you ain't talking money, don't talk to me. I be over here where the bosses be. Pockets on thick cause I eat my greens. Way too hot, 3,000 degrees.
Since these ladies are dabbling with all things fashion, देखते हैं कौन कितना पानी में है. Right now, we're gonna play a fun game with them, जिसमें टेस्ट होगी इनकी फैशन की कारीगरी. क्योंकि at Liva Mistiva 2024 हम करते हैं हुनर को हॉनर. I know it's honor. I was trying to rhyme. तो अब शुरू करते हैं इस अद्भुत खेल जिसका नाम है, कोई नाम नहीं है, जाओ देखो. आप साउथ इंडियन है?
Yes.
दिशा?
Yes, Shriyan. Disha Shriyan.
ओके. फुल नेम बिल्कुल. रेनिल इब्राहिम. आप भी बताइए.
I'm Lipsita Fedarshin.
ओके. तो पहला टास्क है जिसका नाम है बटन अप. तो आपको व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? स्टिच अ बटन. आई नो, मुझे भी बेसिक्स मालूम है डिजाइनिंग का. वंस आई से 3, 2, 1, उसके बाद पहले जो करेगा विल विन दिस. 3, 2, 1, go. Blue button, okay? Meghna, on the clock, 15 seconds, please. साक्षी ने बोला है 15 सेकंड में बटन होनी चाहिए. Come on, let's go. Now we have to, in the next 1 minute I feel like it should happen. Sakshi, it's okay. मेरा शर्ट ऐसे फटा ही रहेगा. Listen up. Oh my God, which fish are you going to catch after this?
15 seconds to do the button, not setting.
Sakshi,
Setting the
one minus aura point has gone. She's saying things and backtracking now. ये इसके बाद डायरेक्टली सब्यसाची के शोरूम में जाएगा. मुझे लगता है ये फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छा है. It's very good. Well done. Even though you won this, well done Rituja. Bangalore fish curry is the winner. इस फैब्रिक को हमें खोल के equal 4 parts में काटना है. What you have to do is make a circle out.
My question is how big? Does the size matter?
In my opinion, yes.
Hands are already shivery. Done. Smells nice of the food. That you can even make it a ring or earrings.
Rituja, would you ever think of something like this?
Yeah.
You know also. फिर आपने क्यों नहीं किया? आपने दूसरा इनोवेशन दिखाया. जो कोना पकड़ के आपने जो काटे हैं. Sakshi, you are wonderful. But this round we'll give her.
Yeah.
Okay? You really, like, she also was done in 3 seconds. Well done. So one you have won. One you have won.
Thank you.
Hopefully, and one of you will win fashion designer. Yes. Huh? There can be no better segue than this. So please. Damn, आपने जो अभी देखा ये छोटे मोटे स्किल्स नहीं है. यही बेसिक्स बनाते हैं इनको प्रोस. पार्टिसिपेंट्स के नर्व रेक तो आपने देख लिया. आप जाके देखेंगे पार्टिसिपेंट्स के दिल में क्या चार्टर चल रहा है. मैं मेरा कन्फेशन बताऊं, ये मेरा 12th टेक है गाइस. अब नहीं हो रहा है. प्लीज लीव मी. मुंबई में डिगिंग और हमारे कैमरास के रिगिंग इज एवरीवेयर. सो लेट्स पुट दोस कैमरास टू यूज एंड सी व्हाट दे हैव टू से.
I thought सब एकदम ऐसे खरूस टाइप रहेंगे, but touch wood, they are all so kind and so helpful.
The moment I stepped in here, I was like, damn, this is the magic that I needed. If as a contestant I would want to eliminate somebody, I would want to obviously eliminate my toughest competition. Shruti, I really like her work, but she feels like a tough competition to me.
We are collaborators, yes, we're still together. However, it is a competition, watch out. In my case, it was a quotation that I was designing for, reimagined in today's time. So I tried to resonate that feeling in my Liva fabric. And I chose satin to bring out the sheen, the boldness, and also the flow of the movements with the fabric.
जब top 20 था, it was the first time I held the mic in my hand. So yeah, I was terrified, but then everybody was so kind, so generous. So my inspirations were mostly from movies, TVs, fashion shows, and all of that. So I used to love it from the start. If I were a jury and if I had to eliminate someone, I think it would be Tanisha. Work is good, but a lot of it is incomplete.
So when a professional or an artist does not like my work, it really does not make me feel good. It really takes a toll on me.
My God, इनके बातें सुनकर मेरा दिल, आंखें सब हराई है. अब पेट भरने का टाइम है, पर ये लोग खाने नहीं देंगे मुझे. प्लीज, घर जाना है, खाना खाना है. Come. So fashion fam, I hope you had fun. Now imagine यही मजा और थ्रिल मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए. अगला एपिसोड इज गोइंग टू बी क्रेजी क्योंकि होने वाला है कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स और फैशन डिजाइनर्स का फाइनल टास्क असेसमेंट. एंड दैट्स नॉट ऑल. दीज लेडीज आर गोना डू अ वाइब चेक बट जरा हटके और जूरी गॉसिप जिससे लगेंगे झटके. नाउ दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ राइमिंग फॉर वन लिंक एंड आई हैव टू गो नाउ. हम मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में.